Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Gingery chicken and spinach stir fry. If you're experiencing a takeout craving, whip up this easy stir-fry instead. A few tablespoons of Masoa fermented paste adds both flavor and gut-boosting probiotics. Ingredients: two garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, 1 1/4 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 tablespoon yellow or white miso, 10 ounces pre-washed baby spinach, 3c brown rice, deep 12-inch skillet. Directions: cook 3 cups brown rice according to package directions. While the rice cooks, start prepping. Chop 2 cloves garlic. Peel and chop 1 tablespoon fresh ginger. Set aside. Coarsely chop 1 1/4 pound skinless, boneless chicken thighs. Set aside. In a deep 12-inch skillet, heat 2 tablespoons canola oil, chopped garlic, and chopped ginger on medium. Cook for 3 minutes, stirring. Add chopped chicken, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. Cook for 4 minutes. In a small bowl, whisk 2 tablespoons yellow or white miso and 2 tablespoons water until smooth. Add to skillet. Add 10 ounces pre-washed baby spinach to skillet. Cover and cook until the spinach begins to wilt, about 3 minutes. Stir occasionally. Serve chicken and spinach with brown rice. If you like our channel, share with your friends. Press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.